Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and thank you for staying by to watch this video. In today's video, I'll be giving you a tutorials on how to sell printables. You want any types of printables you want to sell as a passive income. And guess what? You sell the printables for free. I'm going to be using Canva to design, and I will also be using my beloved, which is called with Koji. Okay, if you don't know about Koji, you don't need a website or you don't need an e-commerce platform to put your product on Koji. Koji is totally free, and I want to appreciate with Koji for bringing this app to us, because if I say I should describe Koji and Linktree, I'm going to go with Koji. If you want to know the reason why I'm saying that, I have this video here. You watch it and you will see the marvelous things Koji is doing. Okay, it has really helped a lot of creators. It has really helped a lot of online creators, influencers to make money online. So I'll be telling us how to do all these things and how to put it on Koji. So you can also use st.com if you want, but I still prefer Koji. Okay, I use Koji for my digital products, and I have a website which is boomsislifestyle.com. Okay, I use it for my printing, for my digital downloads or anything. Some people use ST and use Koji. Okay, so I'm going to be putting a lot of this information in the description box. So watch this video to the end and grab your coffee and watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and most important thing, engage to the channel. Let's interact in the comment section. Have you heard of Koji before? Are you going to be using Koji? Let me know if you're going to create a shop with Koji. If you're going to create a shop with Koji, after creating your shop, while you watch this video to the end, right, put your link in the description box so I can check out your shop. And if you want to see an example of what I'm talking about, you can also check out my link shop in the description box. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the main tutorials for today. So if you go to the home page, you go to create design, and you customize. Under the customize, you can let's do it. We'll come back here. So create, and you're going to use this for me to get this. I get breeding, right, so that it can cut and I don't have to have a mistake cutting the words inside. So I'm going to use this size, like 2 point. I'm going to change this to inches. Always remember to put this into inches so you don't get the wrong size. Okay, so I'm going to use 2.11 by 3.61. Okay, and it's going to give me something like this. It's going to give me something like this, and I can start creating my design, which I have created here. So if you want to have just the front page of your affirmation cards, it's called affirmation oracle cards, like you say it to yourself every morning, or you put it anywhere in your house. You can play a game with it with your friends and also speak it to yourself every day. And if you believe in all these things, it's going to come to pass to your life, because they are positive affirmations, because affirmations are good for us as individuals. Okay, so I created this. This is the front, this is the back. If you just want to create the front, you only have the designs for the front. Okay, but I did for front and back. So you can, after putting for front and back, I did up to, I think, 41 pieces. This is 41 pieces. So with front and back, I think in total is 82. If you can see, it gives me 82. I have 82 pages here. Okay, so one of the words that I wrote for my information is eat like you, love yourself, move like you, love yourself. Speak like you, love yourself. Act like you, love yourself. So you have to like yourself. Another words of affirmation is don't give other people permission to ruin your day. Those are the words that are so great that it can make your day. Then at the back of the book, at the back of the card, I wrote things take time. Like you don't expect a magic to happen. It has time. If you're expecting something, it will definitely come to pass if you are positive minded. Okay. So these are the cards that I made, and I'm going to be putting them on my Koji shop so that people can patronize my Koji shop. Patronize me, getting it downloadable. And if you want the templates, you can send me a DM or go to my bio and request for this template so that you can create your own templates using this, and you can also resell it. Or I can put the template link in the description box if you want to use this template. So comment below if you need this template to just create your own design. Comment below and I'm going to put it in the description box so you can check it out. Okay. So now these are my oracle cards, and where can you print it? So you can print when you go to Google, or you just type makeplayingcards.com. Okay, makeplayingcards.com. Custom box, printed box are here. Just follow you sign up for them and you follow it. You can see how some of these designs looks like, and you can also use this as a gift. You can you can be creative, do something and organize. You give it out as a souvenir in weddings and any celebration, birthday party, any celebrations you want. Okay, so I'm accepting the cookies. So this is it. You just go there. I think they are very affordable. When I'm printing mine, because it's going to be in another class, when I'm printing mine with this complaint, I'm going to do a full tutorials on makeplayingcards.com. Okay? So check this out if you want to create your own card. Like, when we were small, we used to play jackpot. It's like a jackpot card. Okay? So, yeah. So that's it. So let's continue with the class. So now these are the affirmations, and I want to sell it in my Koji account as I said earlier. So I'll come to this place. I'm going to do these tutorials in two ways, and I will download. If I download, I would there are 82 pages. Like for example, if you created your cards and you want to print it out, you have to save it as PDF. Okay, so I'm going to give it to you as PDF. So this is in this class, there are different PDF standard, but you have to do PDF print. Okay, so when you come to PDF print, you will see crop, mark, and bleed. So this is very important for you to click on, okay, and best for digital use. So you now download because we want to, this is what you take or you download and you would create your card. Because when you are cutting it, it has to be straight with the card. So you can see this white background. This place is indicating that when you are cutting it, at least the bead is going to be very clear and straightforward. So this is how it's going to look like if you are doing if you are printing it out for sales. Okay, but for the purpose of this class, I want to sell it, and I need the zip folder. So I will go back to my class, to this printing that I did. I will come back here and I'm going to download as, and I would download as PNG. Okay, if I download as PNG, because I want to sell it as downloadable, you can take it anywhere, you can print it out, and it's a downloadable printable card, affirmation card. So you can take it anywhere and print it, or you can print it out yourself and paste it in every corners of your home to give you the positive vibes and feeling for everyday activities. Okay, so because I want to print it and I need a zip file to put in my Koji account and Koji shop for people to patronize and download it, I'm going to download it as PNG. Okay, so people can just print and go print it anywhere they want. So it's going to download and it's going to give me a zip folder. So this is my zip folder. So now let's go to Koji app. So this is my bio for Instagram. So just check it and ask me your question, patronize me, check out all the links and see where you can support your girl. Okay. So we'll come to app and link and we'll scroll down. We'll come here, we'll click back, then we'll come here. It's loading and we'll manage because we want to add digital file to this. Okay, if you want to edit your store, you'll find all the sales here. So please patronize me. Okay, so add digital file. So I want to add the digital file, and this is it. You had your image. I've not downloaded my image, so let's download it together. So now we'll go back to this. I'm going to download this separately. Okay, I'll download this separately. So we'll go like this and download. I'm going to download as PNG. You come here, click download page 1 first, done, and download. Okay, and I'm going to download the second one, which is download, and I'm going to come here, this space, and page 2, extend, and download. Okay, so if you want to sell, if you've created your design like this, like this, like this, and you want to sell it as templates on your website or with Koji, you just come like this, but you have to have the pro account and you click here and it's going to give you the link. So you now copy this link and you will start selling it. Okay, you can just create a very beautiful landing page and you put this as your call to action so people can patronize by clicking on it. Okay, that's how to sell templates. So now let's go back to our Koji account. So now that I've downloaded it, I downloaded the image and let's go to download. So I'm going to upload this. I'll upload the second one too. So can you see? So I uploaded it and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to give it affirmation. I'll be back. So guys, I already put the name affirmation oracle cards. Then description, I put say these affirmations to yourself and believe in it and your mind will be renewed. Okay, now let's put our zip link. So this is what people will click on and it's going to, people will buy it and they will just download it at their hand. So easy to follow. So our affirmation zip folder is there and we have to create a price. So we're going to put a price here. We can peg it on, I'll sell it for $7. Okay, so that is my price. So guys, I changed the price to $8 so you can patronize me. Let me see how people is going to patronize me in buying. So this is it. Then I will save. So now if you go to my shop, you'll see that we have affirmation oracle cards, self-care inspirations for women. Okay, so check it out and patronize your girl. I hope you enjoy the tutorials of this video, how to sell an affirmation cards for free using with Koji. So let me know in the comment section, are you going to try this? Let me know if you're going to try it, and if you need help, come to my bio on Instagram at TechwithBunmi, also on Instagram, and connect with me and I will put you through. Just book a one-on-one section with me and I book you through. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and thank you for watching. Watch others of my videos, and I appreciate you. Bye for now.